She stopped replying. She leaves your messages on seen. She used to be warm. Now she's cold. Your instinct? Chase. Prove yourself. Get answers. But a Stoic knows. That's exactly how you lose your power. Today we reveal how to act when a woman ignores you, using ancient Stoic principles that will not only preserve your dignity, but shatter her ego without a single word. Let's begin. Number 1, why she might be ignoring you and why it doesn't matter. Why is she ignoring you? Testing your reaction? Seeking control? Or maybe just not interested anymore? It doesn't matter. Marcus Aurelius said, "You always own the option of having no opinion." Your power lies in not needing closure. Once you realize her silence doesn't define your value, you stop reacting and start rising. Number 2, control what you can. You can't control her decisions, but you can control your response. Epictetus taught, "Make the best use of what is in your power and take the rest as it happens." Could you stop watching your phone? Start watching your mind, your habits, and your mission. Control your sleep. Control your fitness. Please make sure to control your attention. You become powerful the moment you stop reacting. Number 3, shift the focus back to you. When a woman ignores you, that's your cue to level up. You don't chase her, you outgrow her. Seneca said, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it." So stop wasting time on someone who's ignoring your existence. Build yourself so strong, her silence becomes irrelevant. Number 4, reverse psychology without playing games. Here's what she expects. You have to double text, beg, over-explain. Instead, you go silent, not out of pettiness, but out of power. This flips the game. Now she starts wondering, why didn't he chase me? Is he over me? Did I lose someone high value? Your indifference says more than words ever could. Number 5, stay calm and unbothered. Emotional control is a superpower. Stoics don't rage. They respond with silence. If someone does wrong, it is their problem, not yours. Marcus Aurelius. Don't post about it. Don't talk about it. Just move on. Calmly, silently, confidently. Because nothing breaks a fragile ego faster than being completely unbothered. Number 6, detaching from the outcome, regaining your power. True Stoic strength comes from detachment. You don't control who stays, but you always control who you become. When you stop needing her response, you win. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Epictetus, stop needing validation. Start building value. That's how you destroy ego, hers and yours. And that's how you reclaim peace. Now that you've mastered detachment, it's time to build your legacy. Watch my next video on the Stoic power of compounding, how small actions daily lead to unstoppable results over time. Click now, because while others chase women, you'll be compounding power.